Today we have two really big theories. The theory of relativity talks about a changing space and time, and quantum physics shows us tiny separate states and connections that are far apart. Both of them are super accurate, both of them work really well, but deep down, they don't quite fit together perfectly. There's still a bit of a pull between the smooth curves and the tiny separate interactions. And that's where the self-referential opposition theory comes in. The SrGT doesn't just ask how we figure things out. It asks what reality has to be like structurally for these theories to even make sense. Its starting point is simple and pretty wild. Things don't become what they are just by themselves. They become what they are by having a steady difference from something else. A system stays itself by connecting to its opposite and keeping that tension steady. From this view, space isn't just an empty box. Space is order. Time isn't just flowing. Time is changing. Gravity isn't just a force or a shape. It's like a squeezing together within a self-referencing structure of space. And quantum events aren't just random, separate points. They are moments of stability in a neatly organized pattern of differences. Mathematically, this idea gets really deep with something called prime structure. Here, prime numbers aren't just numbers. They're like the main lines of order. Other numbers fill up space. Prime numbers give it structure. So, the SrGT connects number theory and physics at a basic structural level. The theory describes a complete process, from what could be, to how it takes shape, to how it appears, and then back again. Keeping things as they are and changing them aren't opposites anymore. They're two sides of the same coin. The SrGT doesn't replace old theories. It looks for the common ground they all stand on. It's like a bridge between philosophy, math, and physics. In the next videos, we'll break down this structure step by step. If identity comes from differences, then reality is more connected, more dynamic, and also more orderly than we ever thought. Welcome to the self-referential opposition theory.